Food Travel Shopping channel and you're watching another unboxing. Just a little disclaimer, I am disappointing for my fans out there who's been following my unboxing of the Staub cookware. I have officially abandoned Staub. No, just kidding. Just this time I got a little present from my wife. She had purchased me this Ballarini. I think that's what I'm pronouncing right. If not, but this is the best I can pronounce. The Ballarini crepe set here. So I did a little research, even though it's a little gift from my wife. So I just want to let you know on the Zwilling website, the original price of this gift set is $65. They're currently selling it for $49.99. Don't forget, with my 20% coupon code, you can get this for $40. So $40 to make some French crepes. Yum, right? So what do they include here? So let's get to it. I mean, it's pretty visible in this case because they made it all clear in this case. So let's open this up. The brand here, Ballarini, is made in Italy, clearly. They have a history here, 1889. Okay, so, made in Italy, all right. I love foreign country stuff. Excellent. Just kidding. So, what's included here? This is the crepe pan. This is a non-stick crepe pan. So it fills with a non-stick coating, and then the bottom of the pan with all my fingerprints right here. And then with the logo here, Ballarini. Okay, maybe with a little Italian accent, Ballarini. All right. So what else do they come with? I like the fact that they actually included the following. Only if I can open this. And yeah, I can get this open. All right, so this is the tool that you need to kind of spread and coat the crepe here. All right, so this is a good useful tool. I love how they include this so then you don't have to purchase another thing. This is also pretty good, the spatula here, the wooden spatula. Once you make your crepe, you can actually, take it out with the spatula, and I assume that you can actually use it as a spread if you're doing the Lady M cake. So you can spread the filling on there. So I think, the reason I got this set, I think my wife is hinting me to make her a Lady M crepe cake. So wish me luck, guys. If you guys have some tips in terms of making a Lady M crepe cake, please comment below, so then you might give me a better idea of how to do this. I'm not a baker myself, but I will record and film my first attempt, and I'm gonna show you how ugly my crepe cake is, maybe. I don't know. Hope for the best. Let's look on the bright side. So hopefully it will come out great instead of ugly. So I'll let you know. I hope you enjoyed this episode on the Ballarini crepe set unboxing here. Don't forget to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button below, and also hit the bell notification for our latest video and update. And give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on the Food Travel Shopping channel.